Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm super excited to share with you this new find. So this is the Peak Lou Williams Underground Basketball Sneaker. I've been wearing it for the last 3 to 4 days now, and this is literally one of the most comfortable basketball sneakers I have ever worn, and that's not even exaggerating it because it is really super comfy. If you are looking for like basketball sneakers that do excellent as well as an everyday casual shoe, you have to check this out. So for today's episode, we're going to check it out, take a closer look, discuss the pricing, where you can buy it, and all of that great stuff, as well as unbox another Peak sneaker that I got a couple of days ago. So if you're excited about that, if you're curious about that, make sure that you guys watch the entire video. Let's go! By the way, if you haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe. I'll give you 2 reasons. We're giving away a Supreme body bag sponsorship by Randy Galang and Kickstart Philippines. The mechanics can be found down below, and you can also get the chance to win an Infinity React Nike sponsored by me in your size. Again, subscribe, follow me on IG, join our Facebook community, and then click the links in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. So gents, let's get right into it. This is the Peak Basketball Underground Lou Williams sneaker. And as you can see, the primary colors are white, red, and blue. And if you wear it, there's actually a difference because each pair has a different accent. The left sneaker, as you guys can see over here, emphasizes the red on the midfoot section as well as the toe box, while the right sneaker emphasizes the blue. So it's kind of like a reverse thing going on, and that makes it ridiculously hype. And when I say hype, I've been wearing it for the last 3 to 4 days, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on this sneaker. People asking about it, wondering what the sneaker is, where did I buy it, how much was it, what kind of Jordan Rare sneaker is this? Literally, those were some of the comments that I got. And it's amazing because it looks expensive, it looks crazy, especially with the underground label along the lateral side of the shoe. I think it gives it like an extra oomph, a little bit more hype. It goes to show how a little design tweak can make a sneaker go so much far in terms of desirability. But anyway, and they keep on wondering maybe how much is it pricey? But the reality is it's not. It sells for just 4,700 something pesos. It's from Peak. They're the guys who came up with one of the most comfortable running sneakers I've ever had, which was the Peak Tai Chi. I did a review on that. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll put the link down below. And yeah, I mean, I'm really amazed with the quality of these shoes, and I've been wearing them, and I plan on still wearing them for the next few days. Now, what makes it so special? I'll go over the visual elements apart from the colors, and then we'll go over, I think, like a technical, casual review of the sneaker. Now, some more elements that are worth noting. I think you have this cartoon version. I think it's Lou Williams over here at the bottom near the end of the laces. Then you have the Peak branding here at the back of the heel. Underground written over there. A nice silver, I don't know if it's supposed to be reflective or whatever there at the back. You have 23 written at the outsole, of course, which is his number there as well on the shoe. And again, it's really inverted when it comes to the colors for both sneakers. Now, where this sneaker truly shines, like what I mentioned earlier, is really on the comfort. And there are 2 things. Number 1, it's the fact that the toe box is a little bit roomier. So if you have wide feet like me, I think this is one of the best basketball shoes that you guys can buy because it is not constricting, it is not too tight. While the containment is there, it still gives your toes enough room to breathe. However, having said that, if you have narrow feet, then you might want to consider going half a size down. But if you are, wide feet, I think just going true to size on this one is perfect. I mean, it's more than enough to give you the containment that you need, but without sacrificing comfort and, constricting your entire foot, especially your toes. And when it comes to the cushioning, this one delivers in spades because the midsole section of this shoe actually uses the same material that you saw with the Peak Tai Chi running shoe, which was one of my favorite comfortable running shoes below 5,000 pesos or $100. Again, to those who are wondering, 4,700 something is like, I think, around 95 US dollars. so it's not super pricey. And as a testament to how comfortable they are, I mean, I have literally a lot of shoes in my shoe cabinet and in my shoe shelves, but this has been my dumb reach for the last few days, especially if I need to change up sneakers within the day. I do that because if you have a lot of shoes, you actually change shoes every now and then within the same day. But they are just really comfortable, and I cannot rave enough about how comfy these shoes are. Now, if you are looking for a performance basketball review, I don't do that, but the good news is I'll put a link down below of a really nice review that I saw earlier while I was researching the sneaker, so check that out. The link is in the description box. Now, apart from that sneaker, I also bought this other colorway of the shoe. So it doesn't actually say the name, it just says Peak Sport Basketball Shoes. I got this in size 13, so it's kind of like a different color of that sneaker that I just showed you guys. So if you pop it open, but bam, take a look at that shoe. So it's literally, I think, the same. You have the same lacing system, you have the same quality of materials, you have the same Peak Tai Chi running midsole, the same outsole. The only thing missing really is the number of Lou Williams. So I think if this is like the collab version with Lou Williams, this might be the base sneaker that they did for the shoe. So this one uses primarily black and whites with hits of orange, as well as, I don't know if some sort of deep purple or blue, but it looks really good. And again, it delivers in the cushioning, it delivers in the comfort, and it's just an amazing all-around sneaker that you can wear either for basketball, casual, streetwear. It just works. And again, it won't break the bank because it sells for less than $100 or less than 5,000 pesos. So again, guys, this is the Peak Tai Chi Lou Williams Underground basketball shoe from Peak. If you want to buy one, I'll put the link down below to their Lazada shop so you can order, so it can be shipped directly to your house if you want to get one, either the Lou Williams collab or this base model of the shoe. So that's the part where we do the sneaker unboxing and the sneaker feature. At this point in the vlog, I will actually pick up the camera because we will be heading over to a staycation with the wife again at my favorite hotel. We'll be heading over to the Grand Hyatt. So I'll probably take the camera, take a couple of footages, and then incorporate them in this vlog in a however way that I can. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. If you don't like that anymore, then you just came for the sneaker review. I hope you guys enjoyed. But at this point, we'll switch on over to the life part of the vlog as I just bring you guys along with me. Hey guys, so we're here at the Grand Hyatt for our staycation with the wife. Ta-da! So it's our favorite hotel. The service here is awesome. The food is excellent. And it's a little bit more private compared to a lot of the hotels here in BGC. And what I want to do for today's, well, to end the vlog, is to give you guys a sneak peek at the shirt that we're working on for 7 to 1. So Project 7 to 1 will be the apparel line that will be complementing this YouTube channel. So if you want shirts, if you want bags, if you want other accessories, we will be launching the website in March. And it will have a full lineup of gear that you guys can buy and wear if you want to. So first, I'll show you a teaser of the first collection, which is the Dreamer collection. So basically, these are gear that will hopefully inspire and motivate you to dream a little bit more and also help you achieve your dreams. So we have a side bag, we have a gadget organizer, and we have, I think, 2 to 3 shirts. So I have 2 of the shirts, and I'll show them to you now. So this is the first shirt, which is in black, and the main design element is the pocket. So it's a pocket tee. So it says over here, Dreamer 7 to 1, and it says here, a person whose ideas or projects are considered audacious or highly speculative. So we're still editing this and figuring out if this is the right thing to put. Now there is a 7 to 1 squad logo down here, but I might take this out and put it at the back because it's kind of busy for a pocket tee. So you guys get the idea, right? So this is the first design for the pocket t-shirt. Now this shirt is a 1 of 1, which is just mine. So the guys who made the shirt wanted to make like a shirt that's only for me. So it says over there 7 to 1 squad, and it has my initial CSO. And if you flip it at the back, it actually says there boss, which is nice. So we're thinking of making like a squad shirt, something like this. It would say squad at the back, and it would just say 7 to 1 squad up front. So let me know if you guys want a shirt like this. We'll figure it out if we'll make it available. And lastly, this is the view that we have here at BGC at Hyatt. So it's a little bit nicer. That space over there looks really nice. That hotel, I don't know, those 2 buildings with the garden at the top. I'm not sure if people can. Oh, it's three. It's three buildings. So uptown, it says uptown. So it's a tall building, then two similar buildings. They look really nice. Those three. One, two, three. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. Again, if you want to buy the peak basketball sneakers that I did an unboxing of, I'll put a link down below to the Lazada account where you can buy it. And as usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.